I'm Jake with SendCutSend, and today we're going to talk about one of our services, powder coating. Powder coating your water jet and laser cut parts gives them a strong, bold, beautiful finish that protects them from corrosion and other damages. It's available on almost any metal and has multiple colors available. Some things to expect when getting your parts powder coated are an additional 7 to 10 days lead time to your order, a safe working temperature range of about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The powder coating process typically adds around 2 to 5 thousandths thickness to your part. We do not offer plugging of tapped holes, so you may need to chase the threads. And you will still see dye witness marks showing through since we do not offer dye protection. Some considerations when designing parts that are going to be powder coated is that we have a minimum size of 3 inches and a maximum size of 23 inches. You'll also need to make sure that there's a hole or cutout that is at least 63 thousandths in diameter so that we can hang the parts during the powder coating process. Lastly, anything smaller than 40 thousandths of an inch on a hole or cutout will end up plugging up, causing an issue in the powder coating process. All of this information and more can be found on our powder coating guidelines on our website. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.